This is an acequia. There's a way in. It's inviting us to see. Oh my good lord. Oh wow. That is high. Let's go that way. It looks like this roof's going to cave in any second. Got some shadow. Electrical substation. Built in 1850. A sugar factory.
Talk dirty to me.
What's in here? What's this say? What's this? Let's get closer. I can't understand Spanish. I don't understand Spanish. What's that say? These doors are gigantic and they're beautiful. It looks like this roof's going to cave in any second now. I love the Spanish culture and the graffiti and yeah. And, let's have a look in here. I need to get up there. I like their style. Oh, second level. Dare I? Soft ground. This is most definitely a ruin. Oh, the stairs didn't go anywhere anyway. Let's go back that way. Just imagine the history of all the sugar coming into this place. So high. Fire. A raging fire. I wonder what went on them. 35, 40 foot, 50 foot at the pinnacle. You know, I'm so glad I stopped. What's that plant look like? Do we pay for the hire of that chair? This is an acequia, a waterway, Roman Moorish invention which would feed that. And here you have the turny wheels which grind the sugar through the water, which it goes up there. Well, actually, it comes down here. Water comes into here, turns the wheels, goes on a second layer, first layer, up there. What a brilliant design. I'm not as young as I used to be.